Janine, pakis.
As soon as you walk in, you see everything. We have here our communal table, which we use for studying, eating, and whatever. Then we have here our windows, and then we have 2 extra tables over there. We fold them when we do not use them, but for now it's there. And this is Rayanne's table and chair and her printer. That is very much useful for everyone here. Then we have another extra table and chairs here. And then over here on this side, we have our appliances, 2 rice cookers, water heater, then microwave. And then we have here our Daljan dryer and washing machine, and then our big ass industrial fan. And that's me over there. Hello. And here below the stairs, we have a bedroom that is good for 1 to 2 heads. And then over here we have our shower area or shower room and our toilet, and that is our kitchenette. I'm not gonna be showing you all in detail because it's very messy. As you walk in, this is our bedroom. Here's my roommate. This is our closet na ginagamit naming 5. Ano ba, closet ba? Tama naman, pwede naman. Tapos, then we just have a bunch of stuff over here. Then this is our study table here sa taas. Yes naman, bright idea. Nagpapanggap kami dalawa ngayon, so napanggap lang. This is my side of the room, this is my bed. Tapos, sa side nito, meron kaming total of 4 beds, 2 bunk bed. But, I'm gonna show it to you. Kasi secret na lang namin yun. I also have here my bedside table. Wow, bedside table, pero chair talaga siya na ginawa ko lang bedside table. Where I keep, things, like my book. Tapos itong panghilat na binigay ni Carmela. So, our semester is technically supposedly done. So, yun na lang. Done na yung semester namin. But, we decided to stay here in Elbi because...
We want to romanticize our Elbi life.
Yes! That's right. To further explain our point. Ano po kasi, kapag nandito ka, on a regular day, on a regular sem, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung campus and like everything that you have around you kasi you're essentially focused on your ACADS, trying not to die sa mga deadlines mo and all. So, ngayon na tapos na yung sem namin, we've decided to stay and kind of like just do what we can do on a regular sem. So, ayun, that's the reason why. So pagkatapos natin mag-house tour, now we're gonna take you all along with us kasi kami ay magja-jogging! Wow. Yes, that's right. Hello! Okay tayo. uminom muna. Yun lang po, yun na po. Immortalize that moment. Ano yung sinasabi mo?
One of my birthdays, bago ako mag-turn ng 30, gusto ko mag-birthday party sa Jackie.
Oh,
Tandaan niyo yan.
tama. Oh, invited na kayo lahat, ah. Charot. Oh, so nakauwi na kami and it's already 9 ng gabi. Oh, oh. 9 ng gabi na po. And anong gagawin? Nag-8-8. So ano pong gagawin natin?
Luluto kami ng... Ay, huwag na pala. Sinigang!
Maghahapunan kami ng ating gabi. Anyways, update na lang namin kayo kung ano gagawin namin next. Ciao!
Magto-12 a.m.
At anong kinakain namin?
Sinigang!
Sinigang na?
Walang gulay.
Walang kahit ano actually.
Baboy at sinigang mix lang. Pumunta kasi namin kasi effort na po ang mga person.
True. Sa mga sinigang connoisseur dyan. Connoisseur. I'm
Huwag mo
sorry.
kami i-bash, please.
Tama. Taste test? Unang kagat. Ano ba yung unang kagat? Okay, tikman po natin. Ang sinigang na walang gulay. Sinigang?
Kita kakalabanin ka na namin.
Shout out po sa kapitbahay namin na nagsisinigang. Tignan. Hello! Oo nga, sobrang lambot. Wait lang. Okay, good night. Good night, good night.